How to change country on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now you will land to your home page. Firstly, you have to switch your personal account to the business account so you will be able to change region on your Instagram account. So head towards the option of profile given at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner, you can find three bars. Tap on it. Go to the option of settings, open it. Over here, you will find different options. Head towards the option of account, open it. Scroll down to the bottom, you can find the option of switch to professional account. Tap on it. Just tap on continue for all of these options. And after you land to this page, you have to answer over here what best describes you. Here I will be selecting the option of entrepreneur, and after you do that, tap on next. Now here you have to select the option of business. Tap on it, tap on next. Now from here you can easily change your country. For that, you will need to tap on this option of business address. Now you can just type in over here your location, type in city and town name, and after you do that, tap on done given at the bottom. Likewise, you can add a phone number and then you can tap on next. This is how you can easily change the region or country on your Instagram account. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment on below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.